In this video, we find the assessment answers of I got Karmyogi topic live.
First question, what does life mean? Lifestyle for environment. Next, who launched Mission Life? Honorable PM Modi. Under Mission Life, should individual segregate and compost food waste at home? Yes. Fourth question answer, avoiding public transport. And fifth question answer all of the above. Sixth question answer plastic spoons. Seventh question answer 35%. Eighth question answer all of the above. Tenth question answer e-recycling station.